Hey everyone. So many asked me how do I share the product link directly to their DMs whenever they comment. So it's because of a website called Manychat. So I'm going to show you how you can use this website to engage with your audience. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is go to your any of the browser, then type Manychat and let's click on the first link over here. Click on this get started for free. I use this for Instagram, so I'll have to log in with my Instagram. Let me click on this Instagram here. So now guys, before using this website, just make sure you created a Facebook account and also a Facebook page for it. Okay. So once you've done that, you can continue with Facebook. Hit on this, enter your Facebook mail ID or phone number and the password. Okay. So when you do that, it will directly, ask you to just link your Facebook page to your Instagram. Okay, so once that is done, you're successfully, created your account in ManyChat. So then I have already done all these steps. So I'm going to show you what happens after that. Okay, so there are many things you can automate in your Instagram. The one which I use more is this. This is used to convert your Instagram comments to the sales. I'll have to choose this automation that is convert your Instagram comments into sales. So let me just click on this. And as you can clearly see here, they've given how exactly this automation works. You can also refer this animation over here. Let me just click on setup template. This is how the page looks like. If you want, you can even take a quick tour here. Let me cancel that. This is how it works. When this event happens, action would be triggered. Okay. So let me just click on this and over here, you will have to choose your post. Let me just choose this lip balm post. Click on continue. Now you might have seen under the caption where people might have written comment heart, comment link for the link, or many such keywords. So you will have to include those keywords. Keywords which I use are link and sometimes capital link and even a heart. So yeah, these are my keywords. You can even exclude the keywords over here. Let me click on continue. And after that, you can even create the reply. Here you can have send the link. And if you want, you can even say check your DM and click on save. My event is ready. So you would be sending a link or a message to their DM directly. So how do we do that? Just click on this and over here, you can even edit the message what you want to share them exactly. So like, hi, thanks for your comment. Here is your link. And you can even say do follow for more such products. And after that, let's just click on get the checklist. This is where you will be sharing a product link. So you can even change the title of the button. So I'm going to say click me. Okay. Here goes the link of your product. So I'm going to keep it some random link xyz.com. Just click on done. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. So you will have to edit the event and also an action for that. You can even preview it by checking how exactly the message goes to their DM. Anyone clicks on this click me button, they would be directed to that product link. After you check your automations, you can set it live. Let me just hit on this and now the automation is live. Come back to this automation and over here you can check this is your recent automation. If you want, you can even edit the name of it or you can give a product name. So this was about lip balm. So let me just enter the lip balm here. Of course, you can even edit your automations. Maybe if you want to change some messages or if you want to change a reply, basically any edits can be done even after you set them live. There are no comment engagement happening in your comment section. You can even turn it off because, as I said before, you just have like 4 to 5 automations for free. I hope you get a lot of engagement by using this website. If you have any questions, do let me know. You can DM me and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So this video is especially for those creators or those influencers who started their journey recently, and this is going to really help you a lot in engaging your audience. Thank you.